For people who have interest in quantitative work and like math and like quantitative sciences, I think math is a really powerful window into so many different things. We can learn about cancer and how it progresses. We can learn about infectious diseases. We can learn about physics. We can learn about deeper theoretical connections among all these things by studying mathematics itself.
I was a transfer student, and so initially I didn't really have an interest in math. Well, it wasn't something I was thinking of wanting to do, but then as I did like a few more math courses here, that I kind of decided I kind of liked math, and so I just decided to internal transfer to math as well. And I thought maybe it could also complement my my computer science degree a little bit too. I like the problem solving aspect, the kind of critical thinking aspect of it. It's very black and white. And I think it trains you to be very like logical, and I think that really interests me.
I like that the department has a teaching faculty program and has some really amazing and thoughtful undergraduate teachers who think about pedagogy, think about how to teach math, really put thought into how to run our courses, how to make sure students can do projects and do group work, be assessed fairly, and have access to interesting and dynamic projects.
Like classes are really small, so you can it's easier to make like friends and things like that, and there's more like one-on-one with the profs, I guess, because it's such a small class. There's only like 20 people, sometimes even less.
We do have research opportunities for undergraduates in the summer through the USRA program and in other terms as well. We have a 3-term system, which is very flexible, so people can take a term to do a co-op placement or 2 terms and still be able to take courses in the summer and in all the terms. So I think that's quite flexible. And I think there's quite a lot of interest from faculty. We have some fantastic undergraduates, and it's great to see what they do and want to do when they come to the research group for the summer. So I do think we have those opportunities through the co-op and also through the undergrad summer researchers.
I applied for the research program here at SFU because I'm still on the fence about going to grad school. So I thought this was like a good way to kind of step in, get a feel for what the research might be like, because prior to this, I didn't really know what research was. So I think it was just for the experience, mostly just to see if this is something I would want to do later.
With a math degree from SFU, I think you have quite a few options. I think there are jobs in industry and companies ranging from video games to pharmaceuticals to other industries that need people who can think quantitatively, who can work with equations, who can work with models, who can work with developing new models and new tools, or even working with existing models, understanding them, seeing their limitations. I think there are pathways into finance and into other quantitative roles, and of course there are pathways to graduate school and research in different fields, including statistics and data science.